Have you lost access to your Gmail account but don't have your phone number, recovery email, or even an OTP? Don't worry, today I am going to show you a smart and effective ways to recover your Gmail account without any of this. Watch carefully till the end because missing a single step could mean you never get your account back. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you how to recover your Gmail account. Okay, not waste time, let's start the video and see you my recovery step. If you can't sign into your account using your password, phone number or recovery email, I will show you easy method that you can use to recover your Gmail.
First of all, you need to open the Play Store, scroll down and find Google Service option. Tap on Google Service option, then click on three dot button and then click on Help option. After clicking Help button, then click Search bar and then search Gmail recovery without password. After clicking Gmail recovery without password, then click on change or reset your password. First option, I change my Google account password.
After verifying your phone's screen lock, it will allow you to set up a new password without Gmail account recovery. Now you click on reset your password.
After clicking on reset your password, you will land on this interface, so please wait. Now here you need to set up your new password. So make sure to create a strong password.
I've created a strong password in my own way. Now you also create one for yourself. After entering your password, type the same password again in the confirm password field. Then click on change password button. Save the password so you don't have to type it every time you log in. Your password changed successfully. We keep your account protected. Get started. Now you recovered your account and regained access to all its features. Your account is now protected.
That's it for today. Did this guide work for you? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to more easy tech fixes and step-by-step tutorials, subscribe to Fix and Guide and join our community. See you soon. Okay, thank you.